Good afternoon. Here we are at Shenandoah Wesley's property. The address is 13117 7th Street, Bowie, Maryland, 20720. The claim number is 059094733. And the reason we're here today is to explain the damages and why we can't just do a one-sided repair. So if we come and see on this side, this is the left side that's being paid by the insurance. So from here, if we remove all of this from here all the way going down, we can see that this shingle is underneath this side from the front side. So it ends here. Removing this shingle would mean we would have to lift all of this other side from the front view, meaning that we would damage the roof even more, and we just can't remove it without removing all of these extra shingles in the way. And if we go up here, first the valley, if we remove the left side of the dormer from the valley, here in the valley, the ice and water shield goes underneath both sides, 18 inches in here and 18 inches in the other side. So once we remove the shingles, the ice and water shield, one, is going to get damaged, and two, the nails, if we try to put it back on, when we put it back on, they're not going to go in the exact same spot, leaving the shingle even more exposed to damage, exposure, and to wind to just come in, lift it up, or water leaking inside. Okay, and if we go on this side, for the ridge cap, one, this one is damaged. Two, the ridge cap goes, there's like 3 pieces that going under this shingle. In order to remove those 3 pieces of the ridge cap, we would have to remove 2 pieces of shingle from here, damaging it more, and we just can't remove the ridge caps from underneath without damaging it or removing the shingles overall. And if we go to this side, this is the right side of the dormer. Same thing as the left side. This part over here, from the top all the way to the bottom, goes underneath the other side of the front part. So trying to remove this side from the right side of the dormer would mean we'll have to remove all the rest of this, just to remove the shingles underneath. And same thing with the ice and water shields. They both go 18 inches inside from both sides between the valleys. And same thing, if we remove the shingles, the ice and water shield is going to get damaged on this side as well. It's going to leave holes from the previous nails, since we can't put the nails, one, we can't put the nails in the same hole, and two, it's not always guaranteed. It would leave more damage. It would be exposed to more damage, like wind, leakages, and other stuff. And from this side, from the ridge caps, the ridge that connects both sides of the roof, front and back, if we try to fix the back side, we would have to remove the ridges. Removing the ridges would mean that we would have to remove all the ridge vents and nails under here. And since each ridge cap has nails, removing all of them would cause a lot of damage. Like, let's say, for example, this one has 4 nails, depending on, it's 3 to 4 nails on each. So it would be exposed to more damage, and we can't put the same new ridge caps in the same holes. One, the code doesn't allow it, and two, it would cause more damage. It wouldn't leave a guaranteed work and replacement. So we just can't do that. We would have to put some new ridge caps. It would damage on this side, the front side, and we would just have to replace the front side. And this is from the front side. If we go a little bit back here, to the left side, there's damages. There's another damage here that needs to be fixed. And if you can see, most of the granules from the front side as well are missing. They're falling off. So this is us saying that in order to fix the roof, we would need a full replacement, since one, the ridge caps connect. So removing the back side would damage the front side, leaving holes exposed from the previous nails, then exposed for more damage. And on this side, same thing, the ridge caps connect, the valleys connect, the ice and water shields underneath connect, and we just can't replace one single side without damaging the other. It's necessary for us to remove the shingles from the other side in order to do a proper replacement. And same thing with this from the right side of the dormer. Like I just explained, we would one, the ice and water shingles underneath, and two, in order to replace just the dormer, we'd have to remove these shingles from this side. Like I just said, on this side, same thing, ice and water shingles on both sides. In order to replace this side, we'd have to remove shingles from this side, damaging it even more. And when replacing the back side, all the trash that's going to come out from here, all the shingles that are going to be removed, we're going to have to take them on the front side, and while the workers are walking on the roof, more granules are going to fall off, damaging the shingle overall more throughout the whole roof. So we just can't. All these shingles, when we remove it, we're going to take it to the front in order to throw into the dumpster, and we're going to step on this side of the roof, causing more granules to fall off, and overall causing the whole roof to get even more damaged. So if you guys can please approve a full replacement, so we could leave the roof new, and instead of just making it more damaged, we replace the whole thing, leave it better than it was. So if you guys can please approve for a full replacement, it would make our time easier, your time. We wouldn't be wasting each other's time, and yeah, overall it would just benefit the both of us. Thank you.